Now, Don, I've been given this this piece of gear by a customer of mine, and he has asked me how it actually works. Now, I don't know whether you can shed any light on this one. Have you seen one of these before?
I have heard of them, Baz. I've never actually seen one. But I'm not sure. Is your customer male or female?
He's a male.
I don't think he
Yes.
has any hope of ever understanding it, Baz.
Right.
But from my limited comprehension,
Okay, we'll start with
this
the male.
one will work that off. Off I understand, on I understand.
Okay, so there's only one switch on the male.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Yeah.
You know,
Well,
either
it
you're dead or
always-
alive, you know.
It always works, doesn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
The
This
female
here.
side.
Now, looking at it, this looks far too simple for what it's supposed to do. I think there must be several racks of equipment that plug into this,
There may be.
and this is just the basic control module which manages the other equipment racks. So unless he's got the other equipment racks, he's got bucked. Well, let's be honest, he's got no hope anyway.
Yeah, so this plugs
But you've
into
got
a
to start from somewhere.
mainframe.
I think it does something similar. Yeah.
Yeah, so here we've
think
got an on-off switch. Does that normally work just by itself, or like this one? Or?
Doubt if anything works. No, this is possibly a bit deceptive. I suspect this is headache mode.
Okay.
And probably a lot of blokes leave that in the on position by mistake and find themselves with problems. You want headache mode off, I would say, would be a good
right.
start.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking about this. This has
It's sort of...
it's a pot, but it's not connected.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, so what would that
so
vary?
I think that's possibly, well, you're familiar with the concept of a loudness control.
Yeah, very familiar with that
And
one.
this
Yeah.
one here, I think, is the loudness control. And as you see, it's not connected to anything because it's controlled internally. So nothing you
Right.
do with that will make any difference to the loudness factor.
Okay.
You get what you get, and you can put this anywhere,
Yeah.
and it makes no difference at all.
The loudness is pre-wired internally.
I think so, yeah, and beyond all human control.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, apart from perhaps the mainframe that you've got this hooked up to.
Yes, yeah, which he didn't bring that in, but he just wanted a quick overview of what this does. It had me totally confused.
Yeah.
So
Now, one of these, what have we got? 60, there, that's it. That'll be it. I think that'll be the how many times have I told you switch. And look, you can set it to 60 or 30 or 10
yeah,
or whatever.
yeah, it only goes up to 60. I think it should have bigger numbers than
It
that.
might have a multiplier here, perhaps.
Right.
Yeah. So, you know,
Okay.
if I've told you once, set
Yeah.
that to 1. I've told you 1,000 times, you'd set that to 100.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Perhaps I'm just speculating here, of course, because
Well, at least we can.
as a male, it's all I'm allowed to do.
We can give the customer a bit of
A bit of advice, yep.
advice.
Yep. This
But
this has an down arrow, so perhaps it's the divorce button.
ooh,
Maybe I shouldn't have pushed that.
yeah, no, you don't want to push that.
No.
This one has a little.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
little
looks
latch.
dangerous.
Yeah, I'm not going to push that.
Maybe that's the divorce button.
I think you'll find out now because you've already pressed this one.
Oh, well, I'll go out and see if I'm still married.
It's the. We've got
But
some
look, I
along
think beyond that, I don't think we can go much further than that, both because, you know, we're fundamentally not equipped to comprehend this thing. You know,
No,
so, yeah.
no, it's.
That I understand. Yep, I get that.
No, we've got this down pat. I can advise him on this.
Yep. And perhaps you
very
could
easily,
make some
yes.
suggestions for that.
Off,
but,
on. Very simple. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Well.
I think one issue with this too is that the settings or the required settings for all of these controls will also depend on the weather, the phase of the moon.
Yeah.
and-
So this may
yeah.
have a weather station and everything on the mainframe.
Oh, look, it could be all sorts of things. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, really, I think it's beyond our knowledge. So
It is. Yeah. Beyond all human knowledge. Perhaps
Yeah.
AI could come up with a more succinct response.
I don't think so.
Probably not.
I don't think so. Okay, guys, we'll give us a little bit closer look at what this is, and if you guys, I'm sure heaps of you guys will have comments on this, so would love to hear the comments. Perhaps you have one, perhaps you need to know how to use one. All comments welcome. Okay, we'll move on. Well, guys, bit of shenanigans going on there. I don't know whether they actually, those pair actually found out how to use that machine. It looked very complicated, and it probably is. Anyway, enough of the serious stuff. Let's get on to some light-hearted stuff. And a pair that you'll really know well. And I'm one of them. Okay, let's get on with it. Yeah, well, your audio's fine?
Check one. Yep, looks like it.
Perfect. And mine's exactly the same.
All right.
We've got 2 microphones that work.
For once.
Like last time.
That's good. That was a disaster. It was a bit of a worry.
Now that's the camera.
Yeah, I have to remember where to look.
Yeah, not there.
Yeah.
But you see some blokes, they'll talk to the monitor.
I know, and it puts you off, doesn't it?
And you think, the camera's over here, not there. Or you see some, they'll be talking over here, and you think, oh, he's got the camera there, but he's watching somewhere else.
Yeah.
Anyway.
All right, well, let's go. You got any idea what you're going to say?
No.
Oh, all right, let's start.
We better start.
All right.
G'day, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Techo Baz and my special guest today, Don from Don's Old Radio Shed.
Yep, g'day, and welcome to Baz's Shed.
Yeah. Today we're going to have a look at lots and lots and lots of different stuff that I've got laying around in the shed. There's all sorts of gear. We're going to just have a look through what's in this place, and
that will take half a day just to look at what's in this place. I've never seen so much gear in my life. It's just,
behind the scenes, this is.
Yep.
So this is a sneak peek of what's in here, and what I've got ahead of me over the next 35, 40 years, I suppose.
I guess if you worked really hard for 40 years, you'd probably fix half of the stuff in here.
I may get through it. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
A very special item that I've just acquired. Look at this. It's a Breville. Yes. It's baby Breville. That's we've got Daddy Breville, which I've been working
cute
on.
Little radio, this one.
Yeah.
Metal case. Handle lifts up, and it is packed in the back. Look at the back.
Is the handle metal or Bakelite?
It feels cold. I think it's metal.
You'd think it'd have to be.
Yeah.
For that.
Yeah, it would have broken by now, otherwise, I think.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, that'll be it. Is that Azzy?
I'm
not sure.
Don't know. What we're looking at there is the inside of this little radio.
Look, it's got the remains of a schematic on the bottom.
It has.
Not much good.
There's the bottom of it. So as you can see, there's not much left on that. But anyway, we've got lots and lots and lots of things. There's another
a lot of aerial on it. I'm wondering how sensitive the thing is if it's had to have this much aerial.
I don't know. It's going to be a 6. What is this? ECH 35 in the front end of it. It should go fairly well.
Yeah.
6U7, 6G8 and a 6V6. All packed in a very neat little cabinet. We're going to have to do this one for sure.
But that's have to do a lot of things for sure.
One of 200.
So much stuff here.
One of 200 that's in here.
And we've got this one here.
Yeah, bring that across, Donny, because
on the table here.
I think our we need a bit of help from the viewers here. There we go. From me subscribers.
Don't know what this is.
Can anyone? shed any light on this thing?
I certainly can't.
There's nothing at all written on it.
It's missing its little escutcheon here, but you could probably make something up out of, a bit of quad or a bit of wood. Find something at Bunnings, and I'd probably paint it black to match the striping around the edge, and it'll probably look,
the overall,
like it was meant to be there.
The case is in very good condition.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
But show them what's in the back.
Yeah, I'll have a look at this.
There's nothing written anywhere. So we've got no idea what's...
Steel coil speaker in here. And this chassis is black crackle finish. And I've only ever seen that on another chassis, and that was a Peter Pan, but it was a different type of chassis. It had a curved metal thing on it, so it's not that.
What other light can you shed on it? What valves are in there?
Can't really see. Hang on, I'll just lay it over.
Oh yeah, see, this one's got a can on it.
Yeah, but what's this?
Yeah, that's...
An 80 or something, is it? Oh, can't tell.
No, it's not written on it. I think
80. It's an 80. It's written on the Bakelite base there.
So that's our rectifier.
Okay.
Obviously, this bloke down in this big fella is a 42 maybe.
Let's just see.
We'll have a look. While you guys are watching this anyway, I know you can't see the inside of it, but yeah, if you can shed any light on what this thing is.
This is one of those mystery valves, Baz.
It's a mystery valve. Quite often found in most old radios.
Yeah.
Where, there's just nothing on them. I would say it's a 42 or something like that.
I've never come across a 42. That's a output or something, is it?
Yeah. Well, I think you guys might know a little bit of more than what we know with this one.
I'm wondering if it could be some kind of a kit, but it's a factory cabinet.
Yeah, this is
like a generic factory cabinet. It doesn't have any badging on it at all. I wonder what this one is.
The transformer is what?
Henderson.
It's a Henderson transformer.
Let's just see what this is here.
No idea whether this is obviously Australian.
I guess it's Australian. Again. Oh, 6B6G.
I've got a 6B6. That's
something a little bit more familiar.
In the IF amp. Oh, there's a couple right in there. Yeah.
I won't go pulling them all out.
No, but anyway, you've seen it.
That's something
if you can shed a little bit of light on it as to what it is. 2-gang
tuner, so it doesn't have a tuned RF stage. Looks like a metal disc drive thing on the tuning rather than a dial cord. Bit like you had on the Breville. It's got a metal disc there, see? Thin metal disc, and that'll have a
There's no dial cord.
Yeah, you're in luck. So that's it. I don't know if we can get a close-up of that inside.
Do you want to...
can you do a zoom thing, or I can just bring it up to the camera there?
Yeah, that's
there you go.
That's enough.
Have a look at that.
So, yeah, anyone that could shed some light. And, of course, we'll attack this.
Yeah,
pretty soon. I'll probably send it home with Don so he can do that.
Oh yeah, I don't think it'll fit in my suitcase.
There's a few
things. Saw what they did to the baggage on the way over. Anything that
not good.
No, not good at all. You don't want to put anything valuable on a plane and send it anyway.
Yeah, now, another exciting radio that this is a first for me is a Zenith, or as Shango would say, a Zenith. This thing's
got me puzzled. Is it old or is it new?
Well, it's...
I thought there was plastic, but that's actually metal, this escutcheon here. And so it's not as new as it actually looks.
No.
It's valve.
It is valve. Now, the valves... There's not much at the back of it, as you can see there. There's...
You got a screwdriver, Baz? We can take this back off and just see what's inside it.
We can.
Yeah.
Yep.
Might shed some light
We'll do
on
that.
it.
I'll grab a screwdriver.
Try and work out what vintage it is.
Okay, here we go. Screws, Don. We better record because most people...
Well, yeah, Mended Mark would approve.
Yes, he would approve
Now
of
we've
this.
got to stop talking so we can speed this up.
Yeah, okay. Shh. And there we go. Last one. But now, this has got one of these plugs that comes off with the back, I think.
Well, it doesn't seem to want to come off at all. Yeah, that has to come out before we take the back off.
Well, it doesn't. But it has to.
That's bizarre, because you can't take this back off without taking that plug out, and you can't take the plug out without taking the back off.
Okay,
That's 22.
So much for the Zenith.
Hang on.
Zenith.
What have they done to us here? Yeah, see that? The hole in the back of that
But that's come up
won't
a bit.
fit over the plug. Has it? Maybe this
Hasn't it?
does come out. Maybe you have to take the whole chassis out with the pack. I don't know.
No, I don't know either.
I can't see what's in there. That's it.
There we go. Bit more force.
Yep.
Now, we've
Yeah,
got...
it's just a little two-pin arrangement. Got an aerial and earth there.
So we'll still need another screwdriver. I should have.
Okay. And what have we got there? Is that a wasp's nest? We'll get this aerial unearthing, and I want you to get the camera in here, Baz, and show people what we're seeing in here, because this is a bit unusual.
Oh, dear. They are soldered on the tab. Okay. They don't...
What I'm talking about is this.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, there we go, viewers. We've got something very special in here. I'm going to...
Will those just come off?
I'm going to cut the... No, they don't, because that is the terminal.
Oh.
I'll get the cutters, we'll cut them off and put them on later.
No, cut it off, Baz.
Here we go.
Yep. The quick disconnect method.
Yeah. That worked. Haven't worked on one of these before. Haven't seen one of these. But there's something very special inside it.
Oh, there's something else holding it on now. We've got...
Oh, hang on.
There's
a loop antenna here.
which is hanging by its wire, so let's not put too much force on that.
Okay. Yeah.
Might need to nip those two wires off, either that or... Yes. Does that loop antenna come off? It doesn't look like it does. It's riveted on.
Okay.
This is proving more difficult than I thought.
Yeah, well, I'm going to do this method.
Yeah.
We want to show you what's inside it. So, there's one, and there's the other one. So the loop is now off.
Yep. And those two white ones were the loop, weren't they?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And what were they?
No, the green and the white up here.
Okay.
This is the two that go to the back of the radio. And
this,
yeah, this thing here.
is a... Now,
Yeah, very
is that
interesting.
a wasp nest or
It is. I just hope there's none
no wasps in it?
in there.
That's a big one. Okay, well, it's got a couple of holes where the waspies have come out, but there's a couple that don't seem to have come out.
Okay, well there.
That's interesting.
There
I'll
we
take
go.
that out in the garden and do something with that.
What have we got? I got a 12DT8, a 12BN6, a 12BE6, a 12BA6, a 12AU6, a 19T8 and a 33C5. Boy, I'm not familiar with these valves.
You know what it doesn't have, Baz? Is a transformer. This is a hot chassis, I think.
Hot chassis. And the other thing I've noticed, 115 volts, 120 AC. Okay, so it's a hot chassis, 120 volt.
You could fire it up with your Variac. You've got an isolation transformer
Yep.
over there, so
I'll
that
just,
doesn't present a huge problem so long as we're aware of it.
we won't fire this one up.
No, well, you could connect that up to your Mega and see that... Oh, there's the phone.
There's always a phone.
But this looks... What would you say, 50s? No, 60s? Maybe later than that, 70s?
The lower profile valves. We don't say tubes out here.
Yeah, they're valves.
No,
Baz,
they're
yeah.
valves.
And I mean, if you're going to be really pedantic, this is a wireless. But let's not stretch a point.
It's a valve wireless.
But we've got a metal chassis with point-to-point wiring underneath. Which,
Yeah.
when you look at it, I would have said, first glance, I thought this was a Chinese knockoff pretend vintage radio, but it's not.
No.
Actually, I'd suppose... well, I've come across radiograms that have point-to-point wiring on a metal chassis from the 70s, so it could be 70s.
Could be
From
70s.
the styling, I don't think it could be earlier than the 70s.
Now,
Just the way it's made.
The model is a K731. So if you just want to look up...
You could probably find
online.
out.
Yeah, K731. So, yeah, that'll be an interesting project. Maybe have to put a small step-down transformer or something,
Yeah.
240 to 115 tranny, and mount it in there somewhere to get it working.
Plenty of room to mount it. You can put it up here.
Yeah, yeah, there's stacks of room. But anyway, that's...
All right. Well, having butchered it a little bit, do you want to label those wires, Baz, or you'd be good?
Yeah, I will label those wires. We'll do that right now.
Okay. We'll
I
be
don't
back
think-
in a sec.
I don't think we damaged anything on the loop.
No, that was hanging. That was a bit scary. It was hanging by its wires, and it's
Yeah.
pulled out of the loop there. Yeah, so that's just how it's done. They're not too
And that
thin,
must
those
have
wires.
been
They're actually fairly...
On here.
They were probably hot glued on.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, just kind of like that.
Okay. We'll tidy up the wires. We'll get rid of this. And
we'll
then
be
we're going to
back.
have a walk around at other stuff that's in here. We've seen some goodies that just in this area,
Yeah.
but there's a lot more goodies to go.
There is stuff everywhere.
There's
Unbelievable.
a bit of gear.
Yep.
Okay. We'll be back shortly.
Okay, so that's just a couple of radios, but let's just have a look around this place because it's an absolute Aladdin's cave. Look up here. We've got masses of shells, a little bit of strobing from the light there. And down here, oh, what have we got down here?
There's lots of things in there, Don. Lots and lots of things.
Nice reel-to-reel deck there. Revox.
Yeah.
Yep. And looking up here, we've got a top loader VHS video.
That was one of my very first video machines, my VHS days.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember those? Those were the
I
days.
remember them, yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone had the great big set-top box. Oh my God, look at all this stuff.
Yeah, there's a bit of gear around there.
Hang on. What are we looking at here?
Where are you there?
Yeah, I know, I'm losing. losing. That's looking at what I wanted to look at, I think. We'll go down a little bit. Okay, so what do we got here?
Just a little bit of test gear.
Yeah.
A couple of bits and pieces.
Yeah. Look up here, more stuff.
Bit of stuff up there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Even more stuff up there.
You know, over the next few years, I might actually get to know exactly what's in here.
Yeah, it'll take you a few years. It's
Yeah.
pretty amazing. More stuff there.
The portable video recorder there. It's used to be used on my camera.
Yeah. And here we've got the solar panel set up for the shed, which
Yeah.
powers everything, as I understand it. Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
And over here, oh my God,
Yeah.
along here, going radios and who knows what. Along here, we've got a whole shelf here.
There's some bits and pieces.
We've got a whole shelf here of, looks like radiograms.
There's
Is
a
it?
Phillips in there,
Record
Don.
players. That one there.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, I've got one just like it. And I could never get the FM working properly. It's distorted, and I've tried aligning it in every possible way. In the end, I ended up doing it by ear and got it as good as I could get it. But I'm still not happy with it. And I was going to try and channel Manuel and do use a sweep generator and try and do a visual alignment, messing with the curves of the FM detector. And oh yeah. Okay, and this oh dear. This is a Phillips.
As well as that one up there, I need a dial glass. So if anyone's out there's
that could be a problem.
can do
This-
help with that.
This is a Phillips. Oh dear.
I like Phillips.
Yeah. I kind of like it.
I
That
don't
will
know
be.
why I like them, Don. It may be the badge that I like, not the internals
Yeah.
of the radio.
Let's just have a look around the back of it.
Well-
Oh, it's got the.
It's got the back on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, this is the first time I've seen inside this thing.
Yeah, nice big speaker in it.
Yes. And they've got these really nifty little IF cans, Don.
Oh, don't you hate them?
We know about those.
You can guarantee that they'll be seized up.
Yeah. And we've got some nice tuning cables in here.
Oh, the dreaded Phillips tuning.
Bit loose.
I don't get it. There's your tuning knob there, and there's your tuning cap there, and they put cables in just to go from there to there. That's 4 inches or whatever, 3 inches of cable. Why did they have to do that? That's going to cause endless trouble.
That's for testing a tech's, I suppose, patience. And, yeah.
Well,
and
it would certainly test mine.
Yeah.
Well, good luck with this one, Baz. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Now, it's
It's a model 6X420AC1, if that means anything at all.
Doesn't mean anything to me. I haven't worked on one of these yet, so that's coming up.
Yeah, sometime in the distant future.
Yeah,
hopefully.
distant future. For
Very
this one.
distant future.
Yeah. It looks like, what are these fellas? Inputs, outputs?
Might be on the back.
No, they're not. Yes, they are. So it looks like we've got something or others. Yeah.
Oh, it's all in Dutch, of course. It's Philips.
Nothing's marked, and yes, it's one of those Dutch things. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we'll leave that one.
Yep. Now, let's have a look
Now, in
around
there,
here.
there's some little nippers. 3 little nippers.
Oh, yeah, there's
do.
a row of them just hiding up the back there.
Yeah.
You can just see the tops of them peeping through.
There's this thing's out of some sort of radiogram. What is it? HMV,
Oh, yeah.
I think. Yeah. There's a mini disc player down there. There's a HMV record player in there.
Oh, yeah, there it is. Yep.
Yeah, an untold amount of things up
Untold record players and things. And up here, oh, my God.
there. Yeah, there's a few.
That
things
suitcase thing there, what's that?
It's an interesting. It's a It's a radiogram. It's a nippogram. Yeah,
I'll see if I can get it on. Yeah, steer
the
it up.
reddish colour one you're looking at.
Yeah,
A nippogram.
it's that one there. And
So, everyone's fairly interested in that nippogram. It's an interesting piece of gear, that. We'll have to get it down and get onto it.
yeah, take that off.
Oh, we've got a little ferris there, Don.
Yeah, that's interesting little thing.
Transistor ferris.
Bit of work to be done on that.
There's a fair bit of work to be done.
Yeah. Musical little thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And of course we've got another one of these.
Yeah, that is a really nice multisonic.
An 11-103 in
It looks in
close to me.
pristine condition.
Oh,
it really is.
She's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice gram.
I remember some friends of mine had one of these when I was a kid, brand spanking new, and gee, it sounded good.
This one I think should definitely have Bluetooth. Maybe FM. Maybe an FM conversion on this one.
Maybe. Yes, that would go down very well in that, wouldn't it?
FM and Bluetooth. This would make a beautiful piece of gear.
It would.
She's a lovely gram.
So when are you going to get to that one?
2000 and what are we up to? 2030 for the Olympics. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Might get to that one. What else along here? There's just radios. There's bits and pieces.
Okay. Now
there is a very special project which just behind you, Don.
Yeah.
Up on top of a stack of stuff up here, there is a coffee table radiogram.
Oh, way up there.
And
wow,
that is a very special thing that actually Kimmy has asked me to get that going. A very unusual thing that you could have in your lounge room. Just doesn't look much at the moment, but that's another project that's got to be done.
And here we've got a whole
Got some
stack
reels
of reel-to-reel tapes, Ampex.
Yeah, there's a
Nice
few there.
stuff. Yeah, that'll keep you in reel-to-reel tapes for a while.
It will.
Christoph, eat your heart out, mate.
Yeah, there's a few things there.
Ah,
So now we've got some interesting things here to fix.
yeah. Well, hang on, start again. Now this is only one of the workshops in here, and this is about the size of my entire shed, and it's only one corner of this. And around here
there's just more stuff.
we have more stuff. This interests me. This is a roller magnetic tape reproducer.
Yes, so it
looks like it was-
reproduces tapes, Don, or reproduces the music
I'm
you
not
put
sure.
on the tape.
You put one tape on it and you get two, perhaps. But it looks like a very early setup. This will be a pinch roller setup here.
Yes, I once
that
again
moves.
haven't got to this one, so
There's a head under there.
not real sure.
I don't know how old this would be, but I'd say it's
We've got a model there, 33C.
33C Mark II.
Yes, the big one, the Mark II. What that means, I don't know. It's
No
before
idea.
before my time.
And this is a nice little thing.
This is a lovely little fella. Now,
If you can work out how to open it.
there's a trick to opening this, and I haven't worked out.
Oh,
what it
there we
is.
go.
Look at that.
Cute little thing.
We do have probably an arm problem in the back here. It's very sticky and gooey and
That seems to be held in together with sludge.
yeah, sludge. It's a sludge mount, that one.
That's going to be fun. Turntable mat's a little bit crunchy,
A little bit crunchy on that one.
but
33, 45 and 78. This little fella's got.
that's on an interest. Oh, that's because of the turntable mount. But it would make a nice little project. It'd fix up well, I would imagine. It'd be.
And it's a National Panasonic. Well, National, I think, before Panasonic. So, yeah. And shortwave. Yeah, shortwave.
Two shortwave bands and medium wave.
Yeah. 3.2 to 22 meg.
Yeah.
Yeah. Down here, yeah, nice little healing to do that.
Oh, yeah.
And a very, very special AWA. Now, this is a transistor radio. And
Oh, yeah. Wow.
looking forward to getting this one going. Obviously, it's a tuned RF set, so Performance Plus. Works on two 6-volt lantern batteries. So, no problems with getting batteries
Yeah.
for it.
Very neat.
Yeah, she's looking forward to doing this one. Very nice radio. Mightn't look so good, but it will be.
And
Not
here we
looking forward
have.
to that turntable.
No, that's a
No, that's,
Calaro.
it is a customer's job, and yeah, I've got to get myself motivated for that one.
I've never worked on a Calaro. Got no
I
idea.
wished I'd never had.
But
yes.
looking at the underside,
Yeah, there's,
okay.
yeah, there's lots of things there.
Anyway, I digress because there's more up there.
Yeah, there's a few things up there to do yet. Some grams and stuff. Yeah. Now,
Now, of course, that we've only seen one of the workshops in here, and around here
this is normally
is the second one.
this is normally where you see me sitting, right over here, where there's. I'll just turn that light away from you.
Oh yeah, that
That's a bit
works
better
better.
for you. And yeah, this is normally where I'm sitting, and the camera's over here.
Yeah,
So
and we've got the lighting arranged on a rack over there.
now up the
Oh,
top
very
there,
nice, and a big
there's
light up there.
a lot of transistor radios,
Oh yeah,
a real lot, going back to crystal sets and all sorts of things up there.
TV
There's
set in the corner there. We've got a Nice turquoise looking HMV, is it?
Yeah, that little nipper. There's plenty of them around, but yeah, that's got to be done as well.
Yep.
Um,
And we've got the workbench that we've all seen on
well,
YouTube.
all this is a mess at the moment because we've moved a few things around to do this. Plus, there's a horrible radiogram that's taken.
Oh yes. Now I suppose we should have a look at that.
Now,
Here we are.
this is the Stromberg Carlson most talked about radiogram with its original documentation. There now.
Well, let's go around and have a look at the front of it,
Yeah.
because it's probably a good place to start with it. And the cabinet's in pretty good nick. You've got a little bit of lifting veneer to deal with there, but nothing too frightening.
Well, I'm thinking of shipping this over to you in Perth, Don,
Oh, yeah?
so that you can tidy this up. You're very good at the woodwork.
I can imagine what they do to the cabinet between here and Perth.
Well, if you could fix the freight up as well, it'd be handy. Could cost
Well,
a
I
little
could
bit.
I could probably cash in my super and sell the car and
Radio, shortwave, and
Stromberg Carlson. That's a metal escutcheon there, and we've got bass there, which is jammed and trebled there.
yeah.
Interesting setup. It's a bit different to what you usually get. I can't really see here. I'm holding the camera up over my head because it's up
Yeah.
on a trolley.
Well, they'll get some sort of
Fair bit
picture
off the
there
ground.
anyway.
Yeah. So that closes.
And this fella here,
yeah.
well, I've never seen a turntable like this. Now, do we have enough light there?
Yep, that's looking good. This is the most bizarre turntable.
Everything looks bent on this, Don. It's, I'll just try and move this away from you there a bit. Because you've sort of jammed in the corner.
That's pretty good. Now, you know how much I love radiograms. This would be a bit of a nightmare, but this is an early pusher setup, so the records will sit in there. And I think that comes out, yeah.
I'm not
And
familiar
your
with
record
this
will
at
sit
all.
in there, and that will just push the record off this little step, and it'll drop onto there. The arm will pick up. Now, the only thing about this is I'm a bit concerned about this arm here. This looks a little bit perhaps warped. That I don't think should be drooping down like that. I think that probably should be flat or straight or something closer to it. Then you've got the end of the cartridge actually sitting on the plate here, which I don't think is right.
Yes, that's
So
drooping
that-
down too far there, isn't it?
I think so. Might be a job for a bit of a hot air gun and put that on a flat surface and gently massage it back into something like...
Yeah, I think we'll
shape.
look into that and see what can be done. I've never seen a turntable like this.
No, neither have I. I think I've seen
This
something with this kind of flocked turntable on it.
and obviously
That will be your size.
record size. And around there. And that obviously this fella comes down and sits on top of the record and holds him
Yeah,
on there.
and those little steps there.
And, and this pushes, as you said, pushes the record off. I was expecting this top piece here to move on this or something, but no.
The interesting thing with these old ones too, with the pusher setup, is once you've got a stack of records there, you can't take them off easily. You have to lift the spindle out, take your records away, and put your spindle back in.
It's
And I would imagine as a result of that, there's quite a few with the spindle missing.
yes, yeah. The documentation on this said it holds up to 10 records. I don't know. I'd be worried about putting 10 on that.
Yeah, it would be
anyway,
probably at its limit.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's have a look around the back.
Yeah.
I'll just close that for the moment.
Come
Save
around
it
the
from
back and
harm.
there's lots of goodies in the back. You get yourself in there. I'll put some light on it, and we'll have a good look at the radio.
So there's a chassis.
She's,
It's a big thing, and immediately it's got these two big bars here, which would make it easy at least to pull it out on the bench and turn it upside down.
yes.
2-gang tuner,
Yes.
RF cans. I wonder what's in this.
I don't know whether that's a choke or what it is. There is a little bit of documentation there, but it doesn't say what it is. Well, what we could do is I'll just get the schematic that's in this book here. Don, that'll be it. That'll be that big choke there.
Yep.
L8, I would say.
Yep,
A couple of
okay.
16s, and that would be the choke.
So that'll be the power supply choke. Yep.
I'm guessing the green one over there is the audio transformer. Now, this is a strange arrangement, or well, unusual. 6 M5s. Push-pull output. Just, it's a pretty flash piece of gear.
Yeah, looks at pretty high end. It should sound good.
Should sound good. Speaking of that,
Yeah,
have a look down here.
look at those speakers. They've got no brand on them.
They look
The whole
very...
thing is Stromberg Carlson, but
yeah, they look very made for the job, don't they?
they do kind of, and they're mounted at an angle, so they're sort of both pointed towards the centre. It's mono, of course.
And that's a sealed box
Yeah,
that they're in.
yep.
Sealed
It's not-
cabinet.
Hmm.
And this...
You should get some...
This
Oh,
back
yeah, that
piece.
just lifts out. That would have probably had a fabric cover or something over it, perhaps, to keep dust out. I don't know.
That certainly doesn't want to come out at the moment, but
Oh, we'll leave it there.
yeah, we're not going to...
It'd be interesting
Worry.
to take these out and see what they look like from the front, but yeah, maybe not now. That's the power cord. No.
That's our 6.3, I would say, to the... There's a little light at the front.
That's what it'll
pilot
be.
light thing at the front, just to indicate whether she's on.
Well, this will be an interesting project, Baz.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be a good project, this one.
So, be getting started on that fairly soon, I guess.
I have to get
Look
it over
forward
the
to
road.
that video or that series of videos.
Plus, Kimmy can't wait to get it in the lounge room, so
Yeah, I'm sure.
I better get that happening very shortly. Up the top here, there's a few things up there that's got to be done yet.
Yeah.
And
Don't know what half of this stuff is, but it looks expensive.
one of my very favourites is this one. And
Oh, yeah?
we'll get him down very shortly.
Okay.
And I'll give you a look at him.
What are these?
Just audio generators.
Oh, okay.
From way back in the old days. A Denon amp, I don't know, that has a fault. I don't know what's wrong with it yet. And in there, where are we? That fella there, that little Sony, this one is an AM stereo receiver.
Okay.
So, yeah, fairly
don't think I've ever seen one of them, and I have no idea how that would work.
It only works with AM stereo stations.
Oh,
And there's not many AM ordinary stations left now.
yeah,
so,
let alone stereo.
Yeah, let alone stereo.
The size of the thing.
A little boombox.
That plays LP records.
Yeah, she plays full-size LPs. And this is one that's got to be finished up. Linear track turntable. I do have belts, and I've got a broken piece on the side which has to be repaired.
That's all good. You got the parts. Where do they go? Oh yeah, yeah. That'll go in all right.
And I do have new knobs for this fella. These slide knobs.
So we got.
There's a guy. This is a
cassette there.
VZ2000, I think this is. Pretty sure it is. VZ2000. There's a guy in Melbourne that 3D prints knobs for these, which is these fellas. And I've got some, and I must admit he's absolutely perfect. His knobs you can't pick from the originals. So if you've got a VZ2000 and they're missing these, which is very common with these, very common. Yeah, he's on eBay. Check him out. I forget the link, but plays a full-size LP record. Both sides, because it's linear tracked, so you have a little tone arm in there, in the lid. He's down in there. And you also have a little tone arm over here which plays the back of the record.
Okay. Wow. Never seen anything quite like that.
It
looks like it's pretty close to all working too.
She's very close to working, so this will be one that you'll probably see fairly soon. I do want to get this working.
The size of the thing gets me though.
Bit of paint needed here.
Oh, yeah, that's
probably
easy.
Black these in. You're supposed to carry these on your shoulder, Don.
Yeah, you'd need a pretty broad shoulder, I would think, to carry that.
You would. It's I don't know.
What, 800 mil wide? It'd be
probably
about that, nearly a metre.
Yeah.
Nearly a metre long, and weighs. Oh my God! I can't even lift it. I can't even lift it. You would need a shoulder harness or something for that.
Let's have a look around the back and see what's in there. I've even forgot what's there. Not much.
No, nothing very visible, and I don't think it'd be an easy job to just whip the back off it either.
No, this is what scares me. It's not that easy. Auxiliary in, a mix out. Don't know, maybe for an external amplifier or something like that. And down here, speakers, external speakers, I guess. Don't know.
So it's got an external amp, so if you're cruising through the hood with this on your shoulder, and you'd have to have someone running along behind you with a trolley with the external amp.
And possibly a generator for power.
Yep.
I think it takes D batteries and a real lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 Ds.
Wow, okay.
It costs your house mortgage just to buy the Ds in the first place.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, let's
so
just leave it down there. I don't know if you want to risk life and limb putting it back up on the shelf where it came from.
This one is to fix, and it's coming up very, very soon on the channel. So,
what's underneath it there? We've got, a radiogram, is it?
we have a radiogram.
Oh, okay.
So we better have a look at him.
Yeah, I suppose we'll have a quick look at that.
Oh, look at this turntable. I just love turntables.
What on earth is that? No brand on it.
No brand.
It turns at least.
turns. I don't know whether it's... Oh yeah,
It's got a stylus in
there's
it.
a stylus there. I really don't know. I haven't had much of a look at this.
Oops.
Whoa. Okay.
Meant to do that. Okay, we'll just see if it will walk through its... It all works.
Oh, it works. There we go. Right.
Doesn't seem to be clogged up with grease. It didn't feel stiff or have any catch points in
No,
it.
it seems to be... Now we've got 33, 45, 78. Everything is nice and free.
Looks like it needs a mat on it. You probably have to do the course to learn how to operate it. But it's... What brand is the radiogram?
Now, I'm not sure of what this... This is a
HMV.
HMV.
Okay.
So this would be very similar chassis to a little nipper.
Probably is a nipper chassis.
Seeing little nippers there. He's probably inside as well. Is that?
Glass,
Yeah,
I think.
it is glass. Missing one knob. on
Yeah,
this
well,
one.
they're easy to get, I think. Those,
Why are radios
HMV
always
knobs?
missing one or two knobs?
yeah.
Yeah, there's always something. And it could be because, yes,
That's very stiff and it's
that
broken.
stiff doesn't turn, knob gets broken.
I think I've got a couple of them at home anyway. And down here we have
So we've got something in there.
record storage.
Yeah, and nothing.
Not record storage, so
And
that's
not
the
record-
speaker.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, designed to
Yeah.
look like...
As I said, I haven't had a look at this one yet. So, yeah. Cabinet.
Is that a customer's job or is it...
No, this
it's
is
yours?
one of mine. And
Okay.
it's, yeah, the cabinet's in very good order.
So up here we got another radiogram. And
Yeah.
graphical equalizer on top of that.
Yeah, there's a couple up there.
And around here we've got this reel-to-reel decks.
Yeah, there's a few reel-to-reels there that I've...
Was
Want
it
to do something
4
with.
of these Revox ones?
Now, Don, it's just a matter of working
different-
out how many years I've got left.
Yeah. And when you... Oh, geez. And when you finish with them, got these Tascam ones here.
Yeah,
Oh, my God. 4 of them, is it?
there's 6 of those in here.
6 of them.
The Tascams, there's... yeah, there's actually a couple more. There's a couple more there. One Atari, couple of Ataris, and a Tascam. Back from my radio days. So there's another. This is my boxing area. I do lots of stuff on eBay, so don't take any notice of the boxes. An Atari 8-track here. And
Whoops.
I'll cut that
It's all right.
bit out. See, all this
Gee, that's a piece of
all this
kit.
got thrown here last week. Yeah, this one. It's had a new pinch roller put on it, and she's ready to be not restored, but brought back to life. So, 8-track 1/2-inch tape. So I've got tapes for these, the Ampex tapes. Very, very nice piece of gear.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a little something that I've got to work on as well.
Another nice little project.
Yeah, there's things like that that are a bit stiff, similar to turntables. Everything's, that one works okay. This tension, yeah, she doesn't work real well. But yeah, there's lots of things.
Oh, what's this?
This is a Q-Master, Don, a Q-Master 77 Mark V. That means nothing to me. All it is a tape recorder. And, yeah, missing one little screw-on holder on Yeah,
Oh,
one
yeah.
of the reels.
I guess you can still get them or something similar.
I'll get something similar to that'll screw on there. But yeah, another little project there for me.
So what would this have been used for?
Probably a radio station as a backup for, just all sorts of things. Just their program backup,
Okay.
studio recording, stuff like that.
One channel, is it? Looks like
It's. You've got me there. Yes, I think it's only mono. I'm pretty sure it's mono. There's only 1 metre, so
Yeah.
it's got input 1, input 2, but
Yeah.
and output. Yeah, well, she's only a mono system by the look of that. Yeah, but
Another
just
interesting piece of kit, though.
interesting. Back in the early days, I had a lot to do with CB radios, two-way radios, so I've kept a few there from the 70s, 80s. There's some UHFs
There's a few there.
They didn't. I used to repair a lot of them, but they don't interest me as much as the old 27 megs. So yeah, there's a few up there that's got to be brought back to life.
So those boxes are full of them as well,
Full
are
of
they?
CBs, yeah. So yeah, a few things there.
And you're not short of spares here, really, are you, Baz?
No, it's a matter of just finding everything.
Okay. Okay, Baz, well, thanks for showing us around your shed anyway. You obviously got enough to keep you going for the next 50 years.
Yeah.
That's if you don't buy any more radios.
Yeah, I've had to count everything up and then count how many years I've got left.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a gross imbalance, so I don't know how I'm going to fit everything in, but yeah, we'll give it a go. We'll record everything I do.
Yeah.
And of course, put
See
it
how
out
it
there.
goes.
Lots
Anyway,
of other stuff.
Thanks for showing us around.
No, well, thank you, Don, for the visit, having a look around. And if you guys don't know Don's old radio shed, the link's in the description. Go and check his channel out. Brilliant channel. So, yeah.
And we'll probably
worth
each
it.
make a copy of this, and it'll be quite different, so we'll see how that goes.
There will be different copies.
Yeah.
Mine will be different to his.
So if you haven't checked out Baz's channel, do that as well. There's
Yep.
very interesting.
For sure. Okay, then.
Yep.
Well, Don,
All right, well,
we'll
catch
wrap
you
this
later.
one up.
Yep.
And a long video, but a bit of fun.
Okay, catch you next time.
Catch us later.
Bye for now.
Bye.